We're facing major societal challenges. Just think of issues like food security, climate, nature restoration, and a healthy living environment. Many of the solutions for these challenges can be found within the green sector. At Groenpact, we join forces to contribute to sustainable change. Groenpact is the key network supporting the interaction between educational institutions, industry, and government. Over 80 partners learn, work, and innovate together within the green sector. Groenpact brings together ideas, needs, and solutions. These pillars form the basis of Groenpact, a powerful network for practice-based learning, research, and knowledge sharing. Together, we're building a future-proof world for people, plants, and animals. We take a demand-driven and results-oriented approach to creating sustainable change. The Groenpact Bureau supports the network, organizes meetings, connects partners, and drives concrete action. Dynamic coalitions of partners emerge to work together on solutions. We focus on 4 key themes: a strong alignment of learning and development with the labour market, future-proof and sustainable entrepreneurship, including the development of new business models, new technologies that contribute to meaningful work and professional skills, shaping the future through leadership. Through our network, we make new knowledge and innovations widely available, both in education and in the workplace. We also strengthen local and regional collaboration. And we foster international connections by sharing knowledge and working with partners in Europe and the rest of the world. Groenpact connects, supports, and accelerates. Together we work on sustainable solutions. Will you join us?